Welcome to the Youth Court. The Youth Court is located at 75 Wright Street, Adelaide. We will now take you through what you can expect when you come to the Reunification Court. When you walk into the Youth Court, you'll see the Sheriff's officers who look after security. It's usual practice to go through the scanner to check for dangerous items. This is to ensure your safety and the safety of others. As you walk through, you'll see the registry counter and the waiting area. The registry can help you with questions you may have about the Reunification Court or your matter. There are lots of useful resources for you to look at in the waiting area. The Aboriginal Youth Justice Officer assists Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people by providing culturally appropriate information. The Aboriginal Youth Justice Officer can answer any questions you may have and explain the process to you. The Reunification Court is a closed court, which means it's only for people involved in the hearing. You can have a support person if you need to, but you need to ask permission for the support person to attend. The Sheriff's Officer will let you know it's time for your hearing and take you into the courtroom. The Reunification Court is usually in Court 1. It is a hearing where you have a chance to talk directly to the judge, the departmental caseworker and the children's representative about how everything is going and if the Reunification Case Plan outcomes are being met. You may find the Reunification Court different to other care and protection hearings. Everyone sits at a table to talk about the outcomes in the Reunification Case Plan. At the table you'll see the judge, child representative, departmental caseworker and possibly the Aboriginal Youth Justice Officer.
Hello, I'm the Judge of the Reunification Court and this is my Judicial Assistant. It is my role to review how you and the departmental caseworker are going in relation to the outcomes in the Reunification Case Plan. This is your chance to address the child protection concerns. In this court, I won't direct you or the departmental caseworker to do anything, but I can encourage you to meet the Reunification Case Plan outcomes and make suggestions that might assist you. The Reunification Court is intended to be a supportive and encouraging process where clear expectations are set. I will give you an opportunity to speak, but you will also need to listen to everyone else's views. Each time we meet, I will ask how everything is going. I want to hear from you about how you're working towards the case plan goals, including the services you are using, the programs you are doing, and how contact with your child has been going. We hope that coming here will help support you in achieving your goals in relation to reunification.
The child representative sits to the right of the judge. The child representative represents the child's best interests and will let the court know what your child's needs and wants are. It is the child's representative's role to make sure the child's voice is heard. The departmental caseworker sits to the left of the judge. The departmental caseworker's role is to talk to the court about the Reunification Case Plan and the progress that has been made. This will include actions and progress that has been made by the parent and the departmental caseworker and the services you've been working with. The departmental caseworker will be clear about what needs to happen before the next hearing. This includes what you need to do and what the departmental caseworker will do. If the departmental caseworker believes that the Reunification Case Plan is not being met, he or she will tell the court that your matter is not suitable to be in the Reunification Court. Hearings are usually 15 to 30 minutes long, and at the end of the hearing you'll be given another date in roughly 6 to 8 weeks. We hope that this tour has made you feel more comfortable about coming to the Reunification Court, who everyone is and what you might expect.